In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a vignette in GIMP with a custom color, so you can create a more stylized look than the standard black edge effect. This is a great technique if you want your photo to feel warmer, softer, more dramatic, or better matched to a brand color or creative theme. And the best part is, it only takes a few simple steps. If you enjoy easy GIMP tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more editing tips and beginner-friendly guides. Now let's jump in. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to edit. To do that, go up to File, then click Open, and choose your photo from your computer. Once the image is open, take a moment to look at the subject and think about what kind of vignette will suit it best. A soft, subtle vignette can help draw attention toward the center, while a stronger colored vignette can give the image a more artistic finish. Next, we're going to apply the vignette effect. At the top of GIMP, click Filters, then hover over Light and Shadow, and from the menu, select Vignette. This opens the Vignette Settings panel, where you'll see several controls that let you customize the effect. Unlike a standard vignette, this method gives you more creative control, especially because you can change the border color instead of being stuck with black. Now look for the color box in the Settings panel and click it. This will open the color picker, where you can choose any shade you want. You might choose a deep blue for a cool cinematic look, a warm brown or orange for something vintage, or even a soft pastel color if you want a more stylized artistic result. As you pick your color, keep in mind that the goal is usually to enhance the image, not overpower it. So if you want a more natural finish, choose a color that complements the tones already in your photo. After selecting your custom color, the next step is adjusting the vignette shape. Use the Vignette Shape dropdown to choose the style that best matches your subject. For example, circle works really well for portraits or centered objects, while diamond can give a more geometric and dramatic look. The shape you choose affects how the color fades into the image, so it's worth testing the different options if you're not sure which one looks best. Then move on to the radius slider. This is one of the most important controls, because it determines how far the custom color reaches inward from the edges of the photo. If the radius is too small, the vignette may only appear on the far outer edges. If it's too large, it can cover too much of the image and make the effect feel heavy. The trick is to find the sweet spot where the vignette gently frames the subject without distracting from it. Use the live preview to fine-tune it as you go. At this point, you can also review how the vignette interacts with the overall image composition. If your subject is centered, a circular vignette usually works beautifully. If your subject is positioned off to one side, try a different shape or adjust the radius until the transition feels balanced. This is where a little experimentation can make a big difference in the final look. Once you're happy with the preview, click OK to apply the effect. GIMP will process the filter, and your image will now have a custom-colored vignette around the edges. If the effect feels too strong or not quite right, don't worry. You can always undo it and try again with a different color, shape, or radius setting. That's one of the advantages of working non-destructively in stages and previewing your changes before confirming them. And that's it! You've now learned how to add a vignette in GIMP with a custom color. This is a simple but powerful technique for making your photos look more polished, more creative, and more visually focused. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more GIMP editing tutorials, photo enhancement tips, and beginner-friendly workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.